Guys, I'm here today to share with you my personal white ring setup using the TPS July kit, and this is one of my favorite setups so far. I really love how it turned out, and I love the bright colors of the kit as well as the beautiful florals. So let's take a look. So I've shared in the Facebook group how I turn my B6TN into a personal white rings, so you can join our TPS Facebook group to find out. It's really easy. So in the front pocket I have just a piece of doily paper tucked in the back, and then I stuck one of the adhesive pockets in front, and over here is some note papers I made using the digital kits. So this is what it looks like. So I just have them together with a paper clip. I decorated this adhesive pocket with some lace doily washi and a little bowl, glitter bowl. So in the front here, I have my front dashboard. This is the beautiful acetate from the kit, and I use this gorgeous copper glitter edge at the side, as well as the fabric patch in the front. I adhered this using washi tape, so this allows me to move it wherever I want. So this is the front, the first dashboard. It says create your own sunshine, and because this one has the black text, so I wanted to have some black elements as well, so I picked this beautiful die cut of this super cute outfit, and then I layered some washi tape, as well as I used the gold overlay tape on the side, and I layered the this is the bookmark that came with the kit. This is bookmark set, so I used this floral. I stuck another floral here with a clear sticker and a die cut. So at the back I have this pocket, which I have some TPS washi tapes inside. So these are my inserts, and this is from a previous kit, the January kit, which I just recycled and put it in here. And I have this month's sticky notes in there at the back. So this is a gorgeous vellum, my favorite vellum in this kit. So you'll see two of it in here. My next dashboard, I layered a piece of paper at the back over here. As you can see, the yellow floral paper. I put the glitter edge at the bottom, a doily at the back, quote card, and these die cuts are from last year's October kit, which I felt matched perfectly, and I really love how it turned out. I love being able to mix and match between kits. I think that makes creative planning really fun for me, and when I'm making dashboards, I love picking out older supplies and digging into my stash. So at the back I have another pocket with some stickers and this stencil from the May kit. So this is how I decorated the pocket. Then I have the other vellum, which I laminated, and then I put a glitter edge here. So I made this calendar card, and it's up on the TPS Facebook group if you'd like to get one. So these are my planning inserts. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. And this paper clip I made last year using the October kit, but because the colors, the coral matches perfectly, so here it is in my setup. Okay, and then here is one paper back pocket, which I've made using the small paper bag, so it can close and open while in my planner. And inside I have stickers. So I punched holes in it and I cut a small slit for this too, so that it can just pop in and out like that. So I just decorated the front. The back, I had cut down one of the quote cards. It says "Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud." Then this is my favorite pocket to make, a side-loading vellum pocket. So you can kind of like see a sneak peek of what's inside the pocket, and yet still enjoy the beautiful design of the vellum. So I decorated this with the doily and some puffy stickers, as well as the clear overlay sticker, and of course a glitter edger. So these are from last year's September kit, which I'm planning to use up. These are the stickers from the Sticker Society kit. This giant paper clip was from last year as well, last year's October kit. This is from, I think, January, the January kit. Okay, my next dashboard. Again, I layered 2 pieces of paper, and then I stuck this. I used this sticker from the sticker pack, the rose gold clear sticker sheets. I stuck it onto pink cardstock to create like a quote card, and then I layered it with another piece of the paper from the kit. Then used my favorite overlay washi tape and stuck a die cut. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. And what you imagine, you create. I love this. So I used one gold foil bow adhesive pocket for my Sticker Society stickers, as well as a cute die cut. And then I come to this month's insert, which I've decorated using the July kit. So I stamped the date in matching coral, of course. Used the washi tapes, the stickers from the kit, and then this is from last year. I created this from last year's October digitals. Then I used the beautiful rose gold sticker sheets. This is from last year, the little notepad that I created. So this is my spread for September, my first spread using the box sticker kit, as well as some elements of like Sticker Society. So this is what it looks like, just a quick flip through. I like to use like washi tapes and stickers, and sometimes pull in like the sticky notes and other things that I can fit into my inserts. So yep, that is my September spread using the kit. And this is another pocket style that I made using the doily. So because the doily is pretty flimsy, so I had to use like a die cut to kind of like make it more secure. So I used a die cut, part of the, remember I showed you I cut down this quote card, so this part is like the bottom part. And then I used the puffy stickers from a previous kit, says love, and I layered some washi tape. So this holds the other half of my Sticker Society sheets. So pretty, I really love the colors. I can't bear to use this up. Okay, at the back I have another adhesive pocket, and I decorated it with another type of lace washi kind of thing, and used a bow. It's the same style as this one. I really loved how it turned out, so I did the same. Okay, so this pretty pink acetate is from the kit. I love the pink glitter foil. It's so pretty. So so I'm going to show you how I decorated my inserts using the July kit as well. Washi tape again, and then sticky notes, and then I use my highlighters that matches the colors of the kit. Then I left this one plain because I really love the print. Then this is a pocket from last year's October kit, and I use it to store some of my stickers which I want to use up. And I use the puffy sticker in front. So at the back I have the other specialty paper from the kit, and I just put it back here so it kind of like front and back. Yep, so that is my setup using the July kit, and I see myself using this for a pretty long time. I really love the colors, I love how it turned out, I love the matching planner, and I even painted my nails to match the kit. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed my flip through. I really love the July kit, and of course I love the Planner Society so much. So yes, I hope this has inspired you in some way or another, and I will see you next time. Bye!